Back again on a live show, how to make a deposit on Deriv real account using mobile money and how to transfer the funds from Deriv CR account to MT5 for trading. Greetings my fans, if it's your first time to come across this channel, my name is Wilberforce and I welcome you to this family. Smash that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon so that you are always updated on upcoming videos. Alright, I'm already here on the Deriv dashboard. To make a deposit, head over to the three bars on the left, then on cashier, then on deposit, and wait for a few seconds. This will load. Click here on this sliding deposit methods. A quick reminder before we continue, make sure you are on a real account, not a demo account. Alright, among these deposit methods, we are interested in mobile money for the purpose of this video, and the service provider is here, Pay Mobile Money. The minimum deposit is $5 and the maximum is $150. Click there, your information that is already saved in Deriv will show up. Go through as you scroll down. My selected deposit method is MTN Mobile Money, but you have the option to select others like Airtel and the like. Enter the amount you want to deposit, and in this case I want to deposit UGX worth $15, and I can check this by entering different figures until I land on the exact figure I want, and that is 58,000 shillings, okay, which is $15.61. Once you are done, click on next. The system will redirect you to the next page, and you can see we are here. Please note that mobile money fees may apply. Click on proceeds. Let me first confirm by entering my mobile money PIN. Alright, you can see approved the debit of UGX 58,000 at a fee of UGX 850 initiated by Real Works Limited. You can see the payment of UGX 58,000 was successful and confirmed. Right, you can see this one, transaction approved within less than a minute. The next step is to transfer the funds to MT5, and to do that head over to the three bars at the top left corner to cashier, then on transfer. As you can see, we are transferring from this CR account to this Deriv MT5 account. Let me transfer $10 only and hit transfer. And in 1 second, the funds have been transferred at zero cost. And by the way, you can make up to 10 transfers to and from the Deriv CR account and Deriv MT5 completely for free. You can confirm by going to the MT5 app. You can see the funds are already there. See the codes here. As numbers are changing, that shows the market is live. I can access the charts. This is the candlestick chart for analysis. On this trade option, I can see my accounts, right? Funds are there. Then down on history, I can see my transaction history, both deposits and withdrawals, losses and wins. And to select the next asset, you can click here on this asset above to access others. This is Volatility 25, it's selling. Tap on the screen of your phone to access analytical tools like here. Pick this rectangular tool and mark this support zone where I think price is likely to react and bounce. That's it. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep winning.